Let us suppose a married man, Puliraja, had an extramarital affair with the innocent Pushpamma, and Pushpraj, the fire, was born. Can such a child claim maintenance from Puliraja? Answer: yes. Pushparaj can claim maintenance from his father Puliraja till the period of his minority is over, as per section 125 1B of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Subsection 1 of section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code lists persons who are entitled to maintenance. They are: 1. Wife who could not maintain herself. 2. Man's legitimate or illegitimate minor child, whether married or not, who is unable to maintain itself. His legitimate or illegitimate child who is not being a married daughter, the one who is a major by age, but such a child is unable to maintain itself because of any physical or mental abnormality or some injury. And finally, father or mother. So, as per section 125 1B of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973, even an illegitimate minor child who cannot maintain himself, like Pushparaj, is entitled to be financially maintained, supported by his father. Let me quote two cases related to section 125 CRPC. 1. Ahmed Khan versus Shah Bano. In this case, the Honourable Supreme Court held that section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 applies to all persons irrespective of their religion. 2. In Vijay Manohar Arbat versus Kashirao Rajaram Savai case, in that case, the Honourable Supreme Court held that a married daughter with the sufficient independent means of her own is also liable to maintain her father or mother under section 125 of the CRPC 1973.